Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your Windows 11 computer. So this is very easy to do. On the home screen here, let's go on down to the Windows Start menu and select this. Then go to Settings. Now on the left side of the screen, let's go to Time and Language, Time Zones, Automatic Clock Settings, and Calendar Display. Choose this. Now you can go to Set Time Automatically and uncheck this. Then go to Set the Date and Time manually and go to Change. And this window will appear now. Then you can change the date right here and the specific time and go to Change. Now I'm going to leave it to Set Automatically. Then you can go on down to where it says Sync Now and sync the time right here. Show additional calendars in the task menu. Then we have Language and Region right here and additional clock settings for different time zones. So let's choose this. Then this menu will appear and you can go to Show This Clock for date and time. Then here's the date and time. We can go to Change Time under here as well, and the Internet Time. So go through the additional settings right here and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.